With CES 2024 right around the corner, we can't wait to see what they're cooking up for smart home enthusiasts. Lucky for all of us, in our video today, we've made a compilation of a bunch of smart home accessories that are sure to light up the event at CES 2024. From kitchen gadgets to entertainment accessories, here are a few major titles you need to look out for at CES 2024. Samsung is showcasing its futuristic bespoke 4-door flex refrigerator at CES 2024, which is bound to draw eyes and create major buzz. This smart fridge integrates its Family Hub system into a 32 inches touchscreen that lets you see inside the fridge, manage calendars, play music, and see front door cameras right from the fridge interface. It also features an enhanced beverage center with a water dispenser and auto-filling water pitcher, along with a dual auto ice maker that makes 2 ice types, cubed or smaller ice bites. With its huge screen, connectivity, dispensers, and customization, Samsung's bespoke 4-door Flex offers a whole new level of convenience and is arguably the most advanced refrigerator we have seen. Samsung is set to reveal its game-changing Anyplace induction cooktop at CES 2024. This smart cooktop provides an extra spacious 80 centimeters cooking surface while allowing you to place pans anywhere thanks to induction technology. No more preset zones. The quick stop function effortlessly prevents messy boilovers by automatically reducing heat when detected. With the flexibility to use multiple pans and pots simultaneously across the ample cook space, the Anyplace cooktop unlocks a new level of precision cooking. And Samsung stands behind it with an industry-leading 5-year warranty on parts and labor. Easy, adaptable, and powerful, the Samsung Anyplace induction cooktop delivers an elite cooking experience fit for professional chefs in your own kitchen. At the same time, Samsung is also ready to reveal its most advanced slide-in range yet at CES 2024, packed with features that make high-performance cooking easier and more convenient than ever. It comes with their ready-to-fit guarantee, providing up to $100 reimbursement if your existing cutout needs modification. The fingerprint-resistant finish keeps stainless steel looking flawless every day. With a flexible 5-element cooktop, large 6.3 cu, FTD oven, and convection baking, it can handle everything from searing steaks to batch baking cookies. You'll enjoy ultimate smart connectivity with Wi-Fi, allowing temperature and time control via smartphone, plus compatibility with Bixby, Alexa, and Google Assistant voice commands. The hidden bake element and self-cleaning technology add simplicity to the premium package. Loaded with features and functionality, Samsung's newest slide-in range promises to be the highlight of your connected dream kitchen. CES 2024 will witness the launch of the groundbreaking Sevi Smart Cooker, recipient of the coveted Best of Innovation Award. This innovative multi-cooker by food tech pioneer Sevi uses patented technology to enable rapid, energy-efficient cooking that remarkably eliminates baking fats and cuts salt and sugar by 50% without compromising on taste or texture. It unlocks a new realm of healthy home cooking with the ability to perfectly prepare foods using as little as 10% of the electricity of conventional methods. By licensing their transformative tech, comprising hardware, software solutions, and recipes to appliance makers, Sevi aims to redefine cooking for greater health and sustainability. With its CES honors validating the immense potential of this game-changing product, the Sevi Smart Multi-Cooker promises to spark a kitchen revolution focused on good food fast. CES 2024 will spotlight PhoneCam by Slim Design, the world's first miniaturized, affordable AI body camera, making personal safety accessible to all. Priced at an astonishing $59, PhoneCam simply slips onto your phone, providing video documentation and deterrence against aggression. At the press of a button, it instantly live streams to emergency contacts, reducing violence through accountability. Its ultra-compact form empowers professionals like social workers to capture field interactions. For consumers, it also functions as a dashcam, home security camera, and facilitator of remote technical support. This multifunctional gadget harnesses AI to unlock safety applications ranging from community policing to insurance claims investigations. Slim design is democratizing protection by packing premium security features like encryption and cloud storage into a user-friendly device. PhoneCam's combination of convenience and transparency at a breakthrough cost signals a groundbreaking shift in personal and professional security solutions. Get ready for a revolutionary leap in surveillance and security technology with View SEC's camera series debuting at CES 2024. Featuring outdoor bullet, dome, and indoor Wi-Fi cameras, View SEC stands out with long-range Wi-Fi halo connectivity, ultra-low power, cutting-edge edge AI, IP66 weatherproofing, and superior video quality. Thanks to Morse Micro's Wi-Fi halo technology, these cameras deliver extended range, stable streaming, and robust reliability in remote environments. With 10 times the range, 100 times the coverage, and 1,000 times the volume of traditional Wi-Fi, View SEC's cameras redefine security monitoring. Don't miss the future. Embrace View SEC's smart security solutions at CES 2024. And now, get ready for a game-changing showcase at CES 2024 as Secolarm unveils its cutting-edge surveillance and security lineup. Specializing in CCTV excellence, Secolarm's Enforcer series offers a comprehensive range of products, including IP cameras, NVR systems, and PoE accessories. With a commitment to top-tier quality and innovation, Secolarm is set to create a buzz at CES 2024, providing smart solutions that redefine home security. Don't miss the chance to explore the future of CCTV with Secolarm's state-of-the-art products, ensuring your safety with style and sophistication. Get ready for the game changer, the Anker Solix F3800. With an impressive 6,000 watts AC output and dual voltage capability, this portable power station is set to revolutionize home power cycling. Say goodbye to noisy gas generators as the Solix F3800 offers a clean and quiet alternative capable of powering your entire home, electric vehicles, and RVs. Plus, for those craving more power, expand its capacity up to a whopping 53.8 kilowatt-hour. Next up, a solar revelation. Ambient Photonics, the pioneers of low-light indoor solar cell tech, are set to dazzle at CES 2024. Their groundbreaking dye-sensitized solar cells promise 3 times more power in dim conditions, attracting early investments from Amazon's Climate Pledge Fund and venture capital giants. CEO Bates Marshall emphasizes the shift from disposable batteries to ambient light power, offering a sustainable and efficient alternative. The star of the show is their bifacial solar cell, harvesting energy from both sides for enhanced power and flexibility. Join the eco-friendly wave with Ambient Photonics. CES 2024 is about to shine brighter and greener. And finally, LG is set to steal the spotlight at CES 2024 with an array of cutting-edge TVs that redefine the home entertainment experience. The G4 and M4 OLED models, equipped with the powerful A11 processor, promise a 70% improvement in graphic performance and 30% faster processing speeds. These TVs boast AI enhancements for upscaling, color refinement, and dynamic brightness, coupled with AI Sound Pro and Dolby Vision Atmos support. The QNED 99T leads the QNED lineup with an 8K 120Hz display, AI Sound Pro, precision dimming, and more. Get ready for an immersive and advanced viewing experience at LG's booth. So that was all things smart home that you need to be hyped for. Do let us know which one of these caught your attention, as we'd love to hear from you.